All right, guys, I've got this old school sprinkler system set up, okay? First thing you want to do, make sure you take a picture of this, okay? Because it's going to tell you the blue one's on zone 1, at least for my situation. Red is on 2, green is on 3. Okay, I've got 3 zones. That's the old one. This is the new one, okay? So pay attention. I'm going to show you how to install this. Very straightforward and easy. We're going to go ahead and mount it right here. It comes with this little mounting thing. So all I did, tape it up here, poke my holes with a Sharpie through the holes. Right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, done. I can take that off, stick that on, drill it in. Drill, baby, drill. All right, guys, so the first hole that I drilled and put a screw in is the top, okay? Because that's the one that's gonna latch this down, okay? Because that's the screw, and on the back, that's what you've got. But honestly, that's the most important one to put in. You don't really need to worry about the bottom ones. You can do that now if you want. Line them up. Looks pretty level and straight to me, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just gonna eye it. But check this out. Sprinkler system's out front, okay? We're gonna get this thing going. Pay attention. Guys, so I put 1 screw there. You're supposed to put screws here left and right as well for extra security, but guys, this thing is solid, man. Like, freaking, it's not going anywhere. Earthquake proof. But it does have the extra screws if you want to put them in, so I recommend you do. Next step, okay, you're gonna take the power plug, wire it through the top, push it in through here, fish it out, and it's color coded, guys. So it's like, it's not that hard, okay? Black to black, white to white, green to green, okay? We're going to use these guys for each color. All right, so that's very straightforward. We're gonna do that now. Make sure it's not plugged in, okay? Don't plug it in yet. All right, so when I come back from the video, I'm gonna show this to you, and these caps will all be, 3 caps will be on each 3 of the colors. All right, guys, so green to green, white to white, black to black. And what I do is I'll put the wires and I'll twist them together like this first before I put these red caps on, okay? So that way it's got a really good connection, okay? So I'm gonna do that now, be right back. And I just pushed all those plugs in there and I put this little cap cover on it. So that's the hard part. This is the easy part, okay? So just remember that. These are your wires, mostly these guys here. White is common. And if you look here, you've got the C right over there. It says C for common, okay? So one of the white wires will go here on C for common. And then make sure you mark these. It actually gives you stickers, so we're gonna put stickers on as well. All right, got the yellow one out. Push to disconnect. So the blue's gonna be 1. Push, came out. Push. All right, so we're gonna get the stickers. The white is C for common. Sprinkler number 1, sprinkler 2, sprinkler 3. Okay, those are zones. I'm sorry, zone 1, 2, 3. And then for mine, it says rain sensors, and honestly, I've got the double yellow on both. I don't think I have a rain sensor, so all I'm gonna do is push on these and pull these out. Push, push. Okay, and I might do the same for the other one. We'll see if I need to do that or not. C, 1, 2, 3. This one was never hooked up. I think that was like a potentially option number 4. I don't know, but it was never hooked up on my old one, so I'm not gonna hook it up on my new one. So be right back. All right, guys, this time I did it right. So I wired this cord in there. Make sure you wire it there, guys. Now this one's the power cord. I shoved that up to there. That one's done good. We'll plug that in here in a second. So if you look at this carefully, all right, C is for common. I put it on the C, C, C. 1, 1, 2, 2, and the 3. I'm not gonna put it on the 3 yet, only because my zone 3 needs to get fixed, okay? But my zones 1 and 2 are working perfect right now. So we'll deal with 3 later. I'll connect it to the 3 when I fix my sprinkler system. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Here's the plug. All right, when you do that, she lights up. Okay, so when she lights up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and download the app and get all that stuff going. And guys, you are in business. So all I'm gonna do is hit play and see what happens. Boom. Play or go. Zone 1. Okay, so I hit zone 1. I'm gonna hit play. There it goes. You hear it? Okay, let's go check. I hear it. It's going off, guys. Oh my God. It works. Check that out. Okay, so that's zone 1 in the sprinkler system. I've got zone 2 is gonna be over here, but let's go ahead. I showed you zone 1 worked. We're gonna do zone 2. So let's hit zone 2. Okay, so I hit zone 2. Did you guys see that? I hit this button until it went to 2, and then, all right guys, so when it's blinking and flashing, it hit zone 2. So that's how you start it. And guys, there is zone 2. I'm excited. Okay, so I still gotta fix that. That is zone 2. Back, activate zone 1. Okay, let's activate zone 1. You just keep clicking until now it's on 1, and I heard it go. Yes, zone 1's got a lot more water pressure. So again, guys, I gotta do some work on my sprinkler system. But guys, this thing is freaking awesome. And yes, it's a smart controller, so you'll be able to like turn it on with your, connect it to your Wi-Fi and all that fun stuff. But guys, it's such a straightforward operation. Like, I mean, that's old school. This is new school. And it does come with a lock here, so if you want to lock it up, it comes with a key so you can lock it up if you don't want people messing with it. But over and out, give it a thumbs up, guys. Honestly, this was super easy to do. You can honestly do this in about 15 minutes, guys. So give the video a thumbs up. And thanks to IMOLAZA. IMOLAZA. Is that how you pronounce it? All right, guys. Loving it. Over and out. We're going to clean it up. Guys, this is my old Rainbird sensor, okay? This is the new one. Pay attention to the video. This IMOLAZA, Lomoza, I have no idea how to say it, to be honest. You guys tell me. Dude, so easy. Check it out. Okay, this is just paper. All you gotta do, hit your sprinkler zone, guys. Zone 1, and then you hit play. Boom. Now with the app, you can like set the schedule and everything like that. Now I'm doing everything manually here, but guys, check this out. Check this out. Sweet. How awesome is that, dude? My grass is so brown. It's horribly brown, guys. But now that I've got this sprinkler system working again, it's gonna be green again. Okay, you wanna switch? Go to zone 2. This is a manual way of doing it. Go back that way. Okay, there's 2. If 2's blinking, that means it's gonna work. Let's check it out. Give it a quick second. I've got 4 sprinklers on zone 2. There's 1. Okay, there's 2. We're gonna pop up here, get going in a second. It's a little slow, but she's coming. There's the 3rd one. There's the 4th one. Actually, there's 5. I've got 5 sprinklers on this zone, actually. So I need to clean them out, guys. This is the first time I've used it. Can't you tell by looking at the grass? Okay, so look, got a sprinkler system over there as well. Okay, soon this is gonna be green as can be. All right, so we're gonna go back to 1. Boom. Okay, now 1's working, and if that's flashing, that means it's working. If you want to turn it off, hit stop. Stops at the top. But guys, I'm gonna let my grass get green. I'm gonna water this for like 5-10 minutes. Again, you can download the app. You'll be able to control everything on the app. Like, how cool is that? You don't have to come here and push on it anymore. The way I watered it, very straightforward and simple. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off. Hit stop. Guys, the white one is common, goes to the C. Okay, my blue one is white. My blue one is number 1, goes to the number 1 zone. I got 2 zones, the red one And I've got 3 zones, but the 3rd zone's not working right now, so I got to figure it out and find it. So right now, I got zone 1 and 2 working that you just saw. Guys, give it a thumbs up. This thing is awesome, dude. Awesome. Guys, this is the old school controller, okay, for my sprinkler system. This is the new one, guys, okay? This is the new one. Check it out. It's awesome, okay? Everything's inside here. Boom, okay? The wiring's pretty much the same as that, but the control unit, top-notch, high-tech, guys. I am loving it, okay? Loving it. Oof. Anyways, give it a thumbs up, guys.